Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the spicy peanut sweet potato curry with chickpeas. The first thing you want to do is chop up some sweet potato that you're going to air fry or bake for 15 minutes. I seasoned with olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. After the 15 minutes, you can tell if your sweet potatoes are cooked if you can easily stick a fork right through. Put these aside as we're going to use them later. The veggies that you're going to want to prep for your curry dish are some chopped cilantro, some freshly minced garlic, chopped mushrooms, chopped red pepper, and chopped red or white onion. Then you're going to prep your spices and use a spoon of each. We have a spoon of cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, turmeric, black pepper, curry powder, and paprika. Our first step is to set our heat to medium-high and saute our olive oil, minced garlic, and onions for a few minutes until the onions turn a yellow hue. Then we want to add our red pepper and mushroom and also saute this for a few minutes. Add our seasoning mix. Add 1/4 of a 796 ml can of diced tomatoes and 1 or 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. We're going to add salt to taste, a spoon of brown sugar, chili flakes, and most importantly for the nutty flavor, a spoon of peanut butter. Then we're going to add our sweet potato we prepped earlier and half a can of chickpeas that are already strained. Add half a cup of water, set the heat to medium, and allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. This is a perfect time to taste and add extra seasoning if needed. So our last two ingredients are going to include some freshly grated ginger and our cilantro. And the finished product should look like this. Very nice and colorful. Now it's time to plate. We're going to add the curry on top of some quinoa. We're going to garnish with some green onion and drizzle some tahini to really bring out those nice nutty flavors. Add some sesame seeds. And I served with some freshly air-fried plantain. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up or a like if you enjoyed.